Le i-house plan engu-7 room inamakamero amathathu. I-master bedroom yakhona ine-ensuite, bese kuba khona ama-2 standard bedrooms. Ma-2 standard bedrooms ane-open bathroom yawo, they share i-bathroom. Bese kuba khona ikhishi, kube khona i-dinner room, kube khona i-lounge, ebese kuba khona i-garage. I-garage lakhona liyisindlu i-garage. Uma uzoyibuka-ke inoveranda babili, khona uveranda wangaphambili ongenela kwi-lounge, and then bese kuba khona i-small veranda yalapha ekhishini.